How to use a scale.
Today I'm going to show you how to use the scale. First, we press the on button.
When you measure how long something is, you can use different units. Commonly used units are feet, centimeters, and inches. Similarly, when you're measuring how much something weighs, there are different units you can use. Some commonly used units are pounds, ounces, or grams. On our scales, we're going to see the abbreviations for the units in tiny little letters on the right-hand side of the window.
Today we're going to be measuring in grams. It's G for grams, but there are lots of other new units like kg for kilograms, OZ for ounces, LB for pounds. I have no idea why it's LB for pounds, but today we're going to be measuring in grams. Now we're going to measure. We have Pikachu, a mini soccer ball, and an apple. First, we're going to be measuring the Pikachu. It's 9 grams. So now let's take it off. Now we're going to be measuring the soccer ball. It's 43 grams. Now we're going to be measuring the apple. It's 187 grams.
Now sometimes if you have an item that's really, really light and you put it on the scale might say the item weighs 0 grams. Even though that's not true, the item weighs more than 0 grams. It's just that our scale isn't good enough or sensitive enough to pick up the weight of those really, really light items.
See? 0.
Is it actually 0 grams?
No.
But it's less than 1 gram, huh?
Yeah.
Sometimes we need to measure something that we need to put in a container in order to put it on the scale. One example would be water. But we don't want to weigh both the container and the water. We only want the weight of the water or whatever the item is in the container. There's a trick you can use in order to get only the weight of the item in the container that you're going to see now.
But what if we need to measure stuff that goes in a container? So we're going to put this in the middle. Then see how it goes to 1? We're going to press this tear button.
And why do we do that?
So when we press the tear button, it goes to 0.
And why do we need to make it go to 0?
Because we only want to weigh the chia seeds.
Not the container?
Yeah. So now we add the chia seeds. And they weigh about 11 grams. So we can do the same thing with water. See? That. So now if we take the water off, then it will go into a negative number. The weight of the cup before we had the water. So we have to press tear again to make it go back to 0. Thank you. I hope you understand how to use a scale now. I hope you have fun measuring.